So welcome again, third year students. We were doing Fern Hill by Dylan Thomas. So let us continue with the poem. All the sun long it was running, it was lovely, the hay fields high as house, and tunes from the chimneys it was air, and playing lovely and watery, and fire green as grass. So we had done this stanza. Just to connect it, I will do it again. So he says, it here means the small river, the brook, the stream. So he says all the sun long. On the sun long means all the day long the brook was running and it was lovely. And the hay was so high that it was touching the height of the house. Tunes from the chimneys, as I explained you in the previous class, tunes is the smoke from the chimneys is being compared with tunes. A musical tune is never straight, it is zigzag. In the same way, the smoke of the chimney, it is also never straight, it moves in the zigzag movement. So he says he was always playing there, lovely and watery and fire green as grass. Even the fire seemed to be very fresh and green. And nightly under the simple stars, as I rode to sleep, the owls were bearing the farm away. Now we are transported to the lovely world of childhood. Nightly under the simple stars, you see the perspective of a child, that even the stars seem very simple to him. As I rode to sleep, because it is said in the childhood stories that when you sleep, your house is being borne by the owls. So he says, when I rode to sleep, and the child used to take each and every word of the story as real. So he says it is possible that his aunt used to tell him stories that when you sleep, all the owls, they collect and take the farm away. So the child believes, the child imagines the words of his aunt, and he says, when I rode to sleep, means he imagines that he is riding on the wings of owls and the owls are bearing his farmhouse away. So when I rode to sleep, the owls were bearing the farm away all the moon long. Now you remember all that sun long? Sun long means the day, moon long means the night. All the moon long means during the whole night, blessed among the stables, the night jars. Night jars are birds flying with the ricks and horses flashing into the dark. So he is conscious of the birds, of the insects, the noise of the insects, and all the horses among the stables, they were also blessed. And their eyes used to flash into the dark. And then to awake. And now he remembers the mornings. And the farm, like a wanderer, white with the dew, came back. Now another story. One story was that when the night comes, you have to ride on the wings of the owl who takes your house away. And what happens during the morning? During the morning, the farmhouse is being compared to a wanderer who has been wandering whole night. So as a result of his wanderings, all his clothes are white with snow. So, and the farm like a wanderer. Now here is a very beautiful comparison with the help of a simile. White with dew, come back. Now the farm comes back during the morning. He goes away during the night and he comes back during the morning. The cock on his shoulder. So farm, the house of the farm is being compared to a wanderer who has been wandering whole night, and there is a cock on his shoulder. Now what is the cock? The cock which tells the direction of the wind. It was all shining. It was Adam and Maiden. Now the mornings of childhood were so fresh that he compares them with the mornings of Eden Garden, when Adam and Eve used to live in the Eden Garden. The sky gathered again. Now you see the beautiful perspective of a child. He thinks that the farmhouse goes away during the night and it returns when with the daybreak. And the sun grew round that very day. This expression means that the sun used to shine so freshly that it seemed that it is the first day of sun. It is the day of its birth. So it must have been after the birth of the simple light. So the sunshine is so very bright. Even the sun is so beautiful and bright that he says that it has maintained the originality of its primal day. In the first spinning place, the spellbound horses walking warm. Now what happens when with the daybreak? The horses which were spellbound during the whole night, now they are feeling warm and they are about to run in the green stable. Out of winning green stable on the fields of praise. They are about to run in the fields of praise. Fields of praise means those fields, those grasslands are so beautiful that praise of God is natural. So out of the winning green stable. So here we have a transferred epithet. Winning green stable. Stable does not make a sound, but horses do. But here it is a very good example of transferred epithet. So the horses feel free to move about in the green fields, and honored among the foxes and pheasants by the gay house under the new made clouds, and happy as the heart was long. In the sun born over and over, I ran my heedless ways, my wishes raced through house high hay. So he says, I was not only honored among the workers and servants and people living in the farmhouse, but I was also honored among the animals of the farmhouse, among the foxes and the pheasants, by the gay house. Gay means the happy house. Under the new made clouds. New made clouds means the clouds were so fresh like the sun. It seemed as if they have been made today only, and happy as the heart was long. The clouds were also very happy. Now you see there is objective correlative, because the heart of the child of the poet is very happy, so everything around him seems happy. In the sun born over and over. Sun born over and over means with the passing of the days, each day he felt that the sun is born today only. I ran my heedless ways. So he is remembering of his childhood days, and he says that I was running on the roads of time, and those roads were heedless. Heedless means free of all worries. He used to live a life of bliss in his childhood days. My wishes raced through the house high hay. So the child wishes, the wishes of the child used to compete with the house high hay. Means his imagination used to be very high. And nothing I cared at my sky blue trades. There was nothing in his life which he cared for. At my sky blue trades means time allows in all his tuneful turnings so few, and such morning songs before the children, green and golden, follow him out of grace. So he says, sky blue trades. Sky blue trades means His works, his day-long business was very azure, pure like the sky. Time allows in all his tuneful turning. Now you see, tunes always have turns, they are never straights. In the same way, the paths of our life are never straight, they have their turnings. So he says, time allows very few people such a beautiful childhood. So he says, I am fortunate enough that time gave me an opportunity to spend my childhood days in such a blissful condition. Before the children green and golden, follow him out of grace. It was the grace of God that he was given an opportunity to live in his aunt's farmhouse, which is named Fernhill, and to create such golden memories. Nothing I cared in the lamb-white days. Now you might have noticed that repeatedly he is saying that he cared for nothing. So those were the days of innocence. Those were the days of carefree playfulness. In the lamb-white days means filled with innocence. He was as innocent as a lamb. That time would take me up to the swallow-thronged loft by the shadow of my hand. So, swallow-thronged loft. Loft means a very high place in the house, the highest peak of the house, which was thronged by swallows, the birds. And by the shadow of his hand, he could touch the peak of the house in the moon that is always rising. Nor that riding to sleep I should hear him fly with the high fields, and wake to the farm forever fled from the childless land. Now you see the sharp contrast between childhood days and the days of youth. He used to see the house being borne away on the wings of owl during his childhood days. But now when he has grown up to see that the farm has forever fled from the childless land. Farm has forever fled does not mean that the farm house has been dismantled. But it is a childless land now. The farm is same, but his childhood is lost forever. So that land has become childless. So now the moon and sun are no more fresh. The fields are no more green for him. He is no more the prince among the wagons. So the material things are the same, but his childhood is lost forever. So he says, wake to the farm forever fled. So now he does not see that the farm is being taken away by the owls, and when he wakes up in the morning, now he does not see the farm as the wanderer with a cock on his shoulder, but now for him the farm is a childless land. Oh, as I was young and easy in the mercy of his means, time held me green and dying. He says, as I was young and easy, I was spending my time in my young age with ease in the mercy of his means. But what happens? Time is also passing. Means he was fast approaching towards adolescence, and his adolescence was fast approaching towards youth. So gradually he is losing his childhood innocence. So time held me green and dying. First, time held me green. Green means fresh and innocent in my childhood, and dying means he was fast approaching towards his death. Though I sang in my chains like the sea. In his childhood, he could not realize that he was in his chains. Chains means he was bound with the bondage of life and death. Like the sea. Like the sea means the sea considers itself free but from all the sides it is bound by land. Sea seems that it is free from all foundations. It is vast. In the same way, our life seems boundless, but gradually we realize that we are mortal human beings and we are subject to death. So, in the same way, in his childhood, the poet did not realize that he is also living in his chains. Chains means limitations. Because he is a mortal human being, there are limitations for him. So, childhood will never last, youth will never last, and even life will never last. So, gradually he realizes that though he has spent his early childhood in a very blissful manner, but later on in his later life, he realized his chains, he realized his limitations, that he is a mortal human being and childhood once lost is lost forever, and he is heading fast towards his death. So he says, though I sang in my chains like the sea. He sang during his early childhood days, but later he realized that he was singing in his chains. Means, though he was in chains, he enjoyed his childhood very much in the fern hill, in the farmhouse of his aunt. Thank you.